Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming that your Airtel account supports an eSIM for Apple Watch. This is why you need the right plan. Once done, make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest OS because compatibility matters. Next, enable Wi-Fi or mobile data on your iPhone and have your Airtel account info and ID ready. This speeds activation. You'll proceed directly to pairing, and the mobile plan setup on the iPhone. Do not skip updates or connectivity checks. You pair the Apple Watch to your iPhone first. Pairing transfers credentials and is required before cellular. Once paired, tap Setup Cellular in the Watch app and choose Airtel because the carrier handles the eSIM profile. Then follow Airtel's prompts. This may ask for an activation code, QR scan, or confirmation in the Airtel app. Complete those steps. Make sure you remain near your iPhone during activation so data can flow, and the watch downloads the eSIM profile without interruption. You finish by confirming the Watch app displays cellular plan added and verify the watch shows signal bars. This proves the eSIM is active. Once confirmed, test calls or data by leaving your iPhone behind or toggling its network to ensure the watch connects independently. If activation stalls, restart both devices, sign out and back into your Airtel account, or remove and re-add the plan. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, contact Airtel with your activation reference for carrier-level troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.